Hey, what's up? Welcome back on Tech Brothers YouTube channel, and this time we want to talk about performance of Xiaomi Mi Max 3, run benchmarks and play some games. In description under this video you can find the link to unboxing of new Xiaomi phablet. If you are new on Tech Brothers, then subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Xiaomi Mi Max 3 is powered by Snapdragon 636. This is chipset from 2017 with 14nm process technology and 1.8 GHz maximum clock speed. We have a model with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage, but also you can buy 6 and 128GB version. The most important thing is that Mi Max 3 supports microSD memory cards. Now let's look at benchmarks. We have already shown AnTuTu result in unboxing video, and it is about 120,000 points. Xiaomi Mi 8 II on Snapdragon 660 has the same figures. As for GeekBench 4, there is 1341 points in single-core test and 4951 points in multi-core test. The next benchmark is called 3D Mark. Here you can see average temperature, FPS and overall score while high graphics loads. Also we tested GPS, Wi-Fi, memory speed. You can see results on your screen. In general, I'm satisfied with synthetics test, but what about real games? Let's play some of them. The first game is called PUBG Mobile. I already want to play in Fortnite, but I cannot receive invitation on Mi Max 3. Do you know how to install it on Android phone? By the way, which game do you like more, PUBG Mobile or Fortnite? Write in comments below. As for PUBG, it automatically chooses graphics settings and I cannot change them. You can see it runs very well. FPS is okay. There are no slowdowns. Also, I want to check the temperature of smartphone after 15 minutes of playing PUBG Mobile. It is about 45 degrees, which is great. The next game is called Shadowgun Legends. I've never played games on such a big phone, and it is an amazing experience. Definitely, it is much more comfortable to play on 7-inch display than 5 or even 6 inches. Once again, let's check the temperature. It is the same, about 45 degrees. Now I want to play Asphalt 9. It is the latest racing game from GameLoft. By the way, I will leave the links to all games from this video in the description. You can download and play them on your phone. And the last game for today is Skyforce Reloaded. Of course, this is not the most heavy Android game, but it is super fun. One of my favorite. I just wanted to play it on 6.9-inch diagonal, and it is really amazing. Do you agree? As you can see, Xiaomi Mi Max 3 has good benchmarks result and runs any Android games. However, you should choose medium graphic settings to comfortably play games. Thanks for watching. Next time we will test camera and battery of Mi Max 3. So subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers not to miss new videos.